No Smoking by Aiden,
Nathan, Isabella, and Grace.
and Tiffany. Just say no to smoking.
Intro. Hi, today we'll learn about smoking and how it can really hurt you. Reason 1. Smoking can give you really, really bad breath and yellow teeth. You can die from cancers of smoking. 3. And it's bad for your environment.
Reason 1. People die. People die because people get lung cancer and because cigarettes have bad stuff in it like tobacco and jet fuel and nicotine. About 600,000 people a year die from smoking. Reason 2. Smoking can give you lots of sins, like wrinkles on your face, peel shoulders, smoker's cough, heart disease, and yellow fingers. One of the reasons why you should not smoke, it's bad for the environment. When people smoke, they throw their cigarettes in the grass. It hurts the grass. It will also hurt the animals. It makes your environment look bad. Flowers, grass could be covered in gross cigarettes. Fun fact, 72% of people of age smoke.
Now you know to not smoke. Smoking is horrible for your lungs, your health, and your teeth. It is also bad for your environment. The grass could burn and go up to your house. And it's bad for your environment. Please stop smoking. It's bad for you. And tell people who you see to stop smoking.